Hey, what's up guys, this is Samir. So today I'm going to do a review of Satechi USB-C multi-port adapter. So the newest model of MacBook, either Pro or it doesn't have a HDMI output if you want to connect to a monitor, or USB ports. They don't have any other ports other than USB-C port. You need to get an adapter like this. I've been using it for like 2 months or more, and I'm highly satisfied with the quality of this adapter. So if you want to connect your Apple computer to any other external monitors, then it has this HDMI output, and if you need to connect to any other USB 2 or 3 ports, then it has this USB ports, and also it has got ports for card slots. So this is the standard card and this is the mini card. USB-C port for charging purposes. The previous generation had only one USB 3 output, but the new generation has 2 USB-C output. So this is plug and play, which means you don't need to install any other drivers, and I've been using this for like more than 2 months, and this is highly reliable. I haven't faced any situation where I couldn't rely on this one, and it is lightweight. There were other adapters which would be directly connected to our MacBook Air or Pro just using the USB-C port, but I think I don't like those. Sometimes you might have stability issues, so if your computer is not stable and you want to connect, and if it moves, then those adapters have issue of connecting properly. Because this has a small wire, so there is no issue with this dangling of this adapter. And this is pass-through charging with USB Type-C port with a 4K HDMI output and 2 times USB Type-A for this version 2, and dual card reader slots, one for bigger and one for smaller cards. I highly recommend this guys. If you are buying a new laptop, just buy this one as well, so that you don't regret after you're buying your computer. And if you want to connect it to a monitor, that's one of the primary use that I have been using this one. If you don't have this, then you might have to go back to the shop and buy again, which might be hassle. So if you are buying a new computer, then just buy this one. I think the version 2 is better because it has more USB 3 ports. I think there are lots of other cheap products as well, but I don't think it can be as reliable as this one, because I heard in a lot of places that a lot of forums and reviews that they were using some products that they saw and were cheap, found it on Amazon. They were having some issues afterwards, but this one is really important, and this one is really good as well. And this port can also be used to charge your laptops, but I don't recommend this port for charging, because I think it's a bit slower than actually plugging into your main port on your laptop. I did a lot of research and found this device, and I'm highly satisfied and highly recommend this device. So that's it guys. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.